How to find the index of a substring in Python. Take the string value in X. Take the substring value in Y. To find the index of substring Y in the string X, you can use the string find method. Call find method on the string X and pass the substring Y as argument. The method returns an integer value representing the position of the substring in the string. Store the returned value in a variable index. Print the index to output using a print statement. Run the program. Since the substring is present in the string, the find method returns a positive value representing the position of the substring. Let us change the value of the substring such that the substring is not present in the string. Run the program. Since the substring is not present in the string, the find method returns -1. This is how we find the index of the substring in a string in Python. In summary, we have used the string find method to find the index of a specific substring in the string. Thank you for watching Python courses by CoderBeing. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share.